I'm Barack Obama. I had hard times, but I kept going, and I learned a lot. I want to share my lessons with you. They helped me grow. They can help you too. Life is not easy, but you can succeed with work and focus and strong, smart effort. Listen closely. Stay with me. These words are for you. They can change your life if you try them now. So get ready, be strong. This is your moment. Your future starts today. Let's walk this path together. I was a young boy. We lived far from America. My mom had little money, but she had big dreams. She worked every single day. She came home very tired, but she still taught me. At 4:30 in the morning, she said, "No picnic, Buster." That sentence stayed with me. She gave me her time. Even when life felt hard, we had no special books, no big house or car. But we had one thing: discipline every single day. Many people wait for help, but help does not wait. You must work each morning, even when no one sees. Comfort will not teach you. Discipline will open doors. Early mornings build strong habits, and habits build your future. Learning starts in the dark, when the world still sleeps. Success begins in silence, with no one clapping yet. It's not about the school. It's about showing up daily. Step by step you grow. No excuse. Just effort. I remember those mornings. Cold, quiet, and very slow. But they changed my future, one small lesson at a time. My father left very early. I was just 2 years. He never came back again. That was my beginning. My mother worked every day. She had to stay strong. Bills came, money was low. Still, she never gave up. Sometimes we had no food. Sometimes lights went out early. But my mother kept going. She never stopped believing. Other kids had new clothes. They had toys and trips. I had books and hope. That was all I needed. At school, I felt different. No dad. No safe home. I felt lost many days. But I kept walking forward. I made many bad choices. I got in small trouble. I didn't always feel proud, but I learned from pain. Life gave me second chances. I used them with care. I didn't waste those moments. I started growing again. Struggle made me pay attention. It showed what truly matters. It gave me thick skin and a softer heart too. You don't need everything perfect. You need to keep going. Use what you do have and never stop learning. My mother was my strength. She gave more than money. She gave me her faith, and that changed everything. Some days I felt invisible. People smiled, but not at me. I stayed quiet and small, like I didn't belong anywhere. I looked for someone strong, someone to guide or help, but no one came close. It was just me there. I watched other kids laugh. They had support and fun. I had silence and space, and too many thoughts inside. I asked, "What's wrong here? Why do I feel different?" No answer came to me. Only more quiet moments passed. But silence can teach strength. Alone doesn't mean broken forever. It means your road is hard, but your heart stays alive. Many great people felt alone. They cried when no one watched, but they kept showing up. They didn't stop moving forward. You may feel small today, but you're growing every hour. Strong roots grow in darkness, even when no one sees. You don't need loud voices. You need quiet daily steps. Your power starts from within, even if it feels slow. Alone time is not empty. It's where character is built. It's where dreams become clear and focus finds your mind. You are not forgotten ever. You are not too late. You are not less. You are still becoming. There is no fast way. No secret, no magic door. No one gives success free. You must work for it. Education is the real path. It opens doors for life. It changes what you see. It builds your full future. If you want more later, you must study right now. Books look small but grow. They grow your quiet power. Doctors train for many years. Builders measure every small detail. Teachers read and prepare daily. Nothing good comes without effort. Math shows how things work. Science explains what's real. Writing makes your voice stronger. History teaches where you stand. You won't love every subject. You won't understand things fast, but keep trying every day. That's how real growth happens. Some people quit too early. They stop when it's hard. But hard is the way. It leads to better things. Education gives you real choices. Without it, doors stay closed. With it, you choose life. You build what you want. Nobody can study for you. That part is your job. You must show up daily. You must keep going forward. School is not just school. It's the place you start. It's your training for greatness. It's your first big step. Your future matters a lot, but it's not just yours. Your country needs your mind. Your effort helps everyone grow. You can build strong things. You can fix hard problems. You can lead with ideas. But first, you must learn. Want a better world tomorrow? Start by learning today, now. Big change starts with you, even from a small classroom. Maybe you write very well. Maybe you love science problems. Maybe you help other students. Your skill is already useful. This country needs new thinkers. People who solve with heart. People who act with courage. People who keep learning daily. You can help fight poverty. You can protect the earth. You can cure hard diseases. But only if you study. Many jobs need your brain. Doctors, teachers, leaders too. They all begin with education. That's the real first step. Don't say, I'm too small. Say, I'm growing each day. Big minds start from struggle. Small steps lead to strength. This is bigger than grades. It's about using your mind to give something that matters, to help more than yourself. So show up. Stay strong. Read, ask, try, learn more. Because we believe in you, and we need your light. Maybe life feels too hard. Maybe your house feels heavy. Maybe you feel left out. I know that feeling too. You may not feel ready. You may feel behind others. But that is not you. That is just one moment. Where you are right now is not where you stay. You can rise from here. You can change the story. Bad days do not define. Hard starts are not final. Even pain becomes your teacher. If you keep showing up. I made many bad choices. I failed. I felt lost. But I stood up again, and again, and again. Every step forward still counts. Even small ones are strong. Even slow progress is progress. You are not stuck forever. Don't say, I'm just this. Say, I'm still becoming more. You are not your past. You are what you build. You write your own future. No one writes it for you. No name, no place. Nothing can stop your next step. You don't need to rush. You just need to begin. 1 page, 1 word, daily. That is how change comes. So lift your head now. Look forward, not behind you. Where you are is temporary. Who you are is rising. Don't wait for someone else. You must choose your goal. No one knows your dream. Only you can feel it. Your goal can be small. Do homework. Read each night. Or something big and loud, like college, business, or change. It's not about perfection now. It's about choosing your path and walking it every day, even when it feels hard. You can lead a team. You can help your friends. You can protect the weak. Your goal gives you focus. Some goals change with time. That's okay. Stay flexible, but never stop choosing purpose. Never stop aiming forward. Write your goals on paper. Say them out loud often. Feel them inside your heart. They will guide your steps. Don't copy other people's dreams. Your dream is your own. It fits your unique story. It fits your true voice. No goal is too small. No dream is too big. Only quitting makes it impossible. But you will not quit. You will fail. It's normal. You will feel doubt sometimes. But stay with your mission. Your path will grow stronger. So what is your goal? Say it. Write it. Begin. Then build it each day until it becomes your life. Success is not fast, friend. Does not come easy. It takes time and work. Every single day counts. You won't win every time. You will fail, it's normal. Failure is part of growth. So don't fear mistakes anymore. Hard work beats easy talent. Practice builds what talent cannot. Keep going even when tired. That's how winners are made. You won't love every subject. Some days will feel boring, but small effort still matters. Don't stop, just keep showing. Every job needs your focus. Doctors study many long years. Artists practice line by line. Nothing great comes by chance. You must do it again, and again, and again daily. Great work takes real repetition. Be patient with the process. Don't chase fast results only. Fast is not always better. Slow growth is deep growth. Trust the slow, steady way. Ask for help when needed. That's not weak, it's smart. Strong people ask, then act, and keep walking forward daily. Effort is more than trying. It's waking up with purpose. It's returning after each fall. It's giving more than expected. So give your best today. Even if no one claps, you are building something strong. Success is already growing inside. No one is born ready. Skills come from practice. You learn, you fail, you try again, and grow. You won't get it first. You won't hit every note. You won't understand at once. That's how learning works. Michael Jordan missed many shots. J.K. Rowling got many rejections. They kept trying anyway, because they believed in themselves. Mistakes teach you lessons. Failures are not the end. They show you new ways. They help you get better. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't stop when it's hard. Keep working every day. Success is for the patient. You build skills slowly, like a tree grows tall, with time, care, and work. And strong roots go deep. Practice is your best friend. Keep trying no matter what. Each small step counts much. Your future grows from this. You learn by asking questions. You learn by making mistakes. You learn by trying more. That is real strength. So start right where you are. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep moving forward. Your time is coming soon. Sometimes life feels too hard. You feel tired and lost. You think about giving up, but don't quit today. You are stronger than pain. You are braver than fear. You have a light inside. Let it shine through darkness. When others give up, wait. Keep trying, even alone. Your future needs your fight. You matter more than you know. Success comes from staying strong, from rising after each fall, from believing in yourself, from trying just one more time. No one's path is easy. Everyone faces hard moments. But winners don't quit early. They keep moving forward. Your mistakes don't define you. They teach you what's next. They build your stronger heart. They make you wiser now. Ask for help when needed. That shows you are brave. No shame in needing friends. We all need help sometimes. Remember who you are. A fighter, a dreamer, a learner. Your story is still writing. You hold the pen now. So keep walking forward. No matter what comes next. Don't give up on you. Your best days are ahead. What is your favorite Obama lesson? Which advice will you follow? How will you change your future? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you so much for watching. We're happy to be part of your journey. And always remember, keep learning, keep trying, keep growing.